Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own TradingView ID. Whether you're interested in stocks, crypto, forex, or you just want to explore the world of financial charts, having a TradingView account is your first step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own account set up, ready to start analyzing markets and joining a huge community of traders and investors. So let's get started, and as always, I'll walk you through each step and explain why we're doing it, just like I would for a friend. First, go ahead and open up your internet browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you prefer, and type in TradingView.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll find yourself on the TradingView homepage. At the very top of the page, you'll see a button that says Get Started. It's nice and prominent so you can't miss it. Click on that. Now at this stage, TradingView is just asking how you like to begin your journey. Some folks might be worried they'll be charged right away, but don't worry, you can definitely start out with a free account. And that's what I recommend if you're just getting familiar with the platform. So find the sign up option and give that a click. This is the part where TradingView wants to know who you are, and they offer several ways to register. If you already have a Google or Outlook account, you can save time and avoid having to remember another password by signing up with one of those. That's what I usually do. It's fast, simple, and secure. Just click on the Google option, for instance, and follow the prompts to log in with your Google credentials. If you'd rather use a different email, go ahead and choose that instead. Whichever way you pick, the process is fairly painless. Give it a moment to process your new account, and soon enough, you'll be logged into TradingView for the very first time. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see what looks like a profile icon. It might have your initials or image, depending on what sign-up method you used. Click on that to reveal your account menu. Now, within that menu, you're looking for Settings and Billing. Sometimes it takes a second to locate, especially if the website layout changes, but take your time. It's right there under your account options. Click on Settings and Billing, and this is where all your important account information lives. Your TradingView ID will be visible right here. That ID is a bit like your unique username or handle. It identifies you to other users, lets you join chats, comment on ideas, or publish scripts if you're into sharing your analysis with the community. Here's a helpful tip. If you don't like the randomly assigned ID or you just want a handle that better represents you, you can edit and change it. Just look for an edit button or a little pencil icon next to your TradingView ID. Make your changes and don't forget to save. It's as easy as renaming yourself in a game or a social media app. And that's really all there is to it. Your TradingView account is live, your ID is set up, and you're ready to explore charts, save layouts, or start connecting with other traders. If any part of this process seemed confusing, don't hesitate to hit pause and rewind or drop a question in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know which platform you'll be trading, and be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.